Hey everyone, today I'm going to talk to you really briefly about a misconception about ceramic coating. So, does ceramic coating prevent you from having to ever wash your car? The answer is, well, I'm going to show you. Let me show you. Now, all my cars are ceramic coated and have paint protection film. You notice how dirty this is. Now, why is my car so dirty right now? Well, first off, we've been having a lot of rain here in Texas. The weather's been pretty brutal here in central Texas. And two, my car is typically sitting outside in all these elements. It's not parked inside. So you can see how dirty it gets. And so, does ceramic coating stop the car from getting dirty? The answer is absolutely not. Now, a lot of people think, okay, I got ceramic coating, I don't have to wash the car ever again, but that's entirely untrue. The goal of ceramic coating is just to make the car easier to clean. It doesn't mean it's self-cleaning. Now, if we had self-cleaning cars, that would be amazing. We got self-driving cars, maybe someday we'll have self-cleaning cars. But for right now, everyone, we still gotta wash our car, whether we have ceramic coating, PPF, or otherwise.